everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to do a check-in with my project pan. So let's get started. The first thing I am going, let me get my products out. Let me get my products out of the bag, out of the box. I'm storing them in. Okay, first thing I want to check on is my foundation. This is the Clinique Fit Workout Makeup. I think you can see that. I'm trying to see if I can see where I'm at. I'm holding it up to the light, but I really can't see through it. I wish I could. It is really opaque. But if I had to guess, and I'm guessing, I think I'm probably right in here somewhere. This is a very watery foundation, very liquidy, and I've been mixing it with other foundations to use up because it's a little dark for me right now. I purchased this to wear in the summer when I went to Disney World to make sure my face would look good, and it works. It works great. I like this foundation. I should have used it more, but I'm using it up because it's older, and I don't know how long it's going to take me. Like I said, it's very liquidy. There's still plenty in there, so that's up where I am with that. And I don't have a scale to weigh, so sorry guys. Maybe I should pick up a scale, but I don't want to buy a scale just to weigh products I'm using up. I think that's a waste. All right, next is my Essence bronzer. This is what it looks like. I will put a photo up here, I guess, and you can see the difference, the photo from last month and then this month. Just looking at it, I can't tell. If when I look at the photo I have, I might be able to see if I've used more, but I have used it consistently. I do like this, and I can't smell it at all anymore. The scent is totally gone now. If I get to maybe where there's just, you know, my pan is about that big, I think I'll declutter it. I'm going to use it a bit more though. I do really like this bronzer. It's one of my favorites, if not my absolute favorite. And it's very inexpensive. I highly recommend this one. Highly. Okay, next let's look at this Ulta contour kit. I used it some. I did. This is what it's looking like. I'm not going to bother to put the before photo up because I'm going to declutter it. I don't use these shades at all. I just use this one, and I tried to contour my face with this one day and I thought it looked horrible. I have just fallen so in love with my KVD contour kit that I just don't like this. So I'm not going to try to do any more with this. I'm just going to let it go. Next, I added an eyeliner. This is the Sephora liner in Blonde Ambition. And then I took a Post-it note and I marked, I don't know if you can see it. Let me make a big old mark. My Post-it note's dirty now. Okay. You can see, yeah. What I do is hold the pencil up right to the bottom of the paper. I'm going to lay it down to do this. I think it'd be easier. And then I'll show you where we're at today. That's where we're at now. So I did used a little bit. So at the rate I'm going, lining under my eyes, in about 10 years I might be done with this pencil. No. It'll get to the point I can't sharpen it. It's not going to go all the way down. I know that. But it might take me all year. All I do is line my bottom waterline with it. So yeah, it might take me a while. But we're going to keep using it. And then because I took the Ulta contour kit out of my project pan, I'm adding a lotion. This is the Nivea Skin Firming Hydration. It says firmer skin in as little as 2 weeks. I bought this a while back and I've barely used it, and I've got to make myself use it. Now with this one, think I can see. Can I see? You know what? I can't see. Can I open it? Let's open it. Let's not make a mess. It smells good. Let me see if I can cut. Ooh. See if I can guesstimate where we're at. Move that out of the way. Okay, yeah, I can. I can. I think I can. I've used more than I thought. Or it might be low. Got a Sharpie. Oh, Lord. Ugh. Goodness. Okay. Yeah, I can see where my finger. Let me go this way. Can I see? Yeah. There's the. Okay, it's down below. It's about there. That's about where I'm at. Yeah, I can see that mark through the bottle. I might even be a little lower than that, but that's good enough. And I've got to use this. Must use it and not let it go bad. There we go. So, we'll add that to the list. And now, what we've been waiting for, my palette. I'm trying to pan 6 pans in a year. I'm not trying to pan and totally use up this palette. That's not going to happen. I just want to hit pan on 6 different shadows this year. And I'm proud to say I now have pan on all 3 of these. There we go. I will have the before picture. Let me scoot over here. I'll have the before picture up here. But yeah, those are the 3 that I have hit pan on. And I'm working on this one. So this is the one I'm focusing on. I want to hit pan on next. I've been using that as a transition shade. And then after that, I will pick another one to work on and another one until I hit pan on 6 eyeshadows. I don't want to use them up. These are still performing beautifully. I have fallen back in love with this palette since I'm trying to pan it. It's just a perfect everyday palette. It's just, it used to be my absolute favorite palette, and like I said, I am falling back in love with this palette. There we go. That is my update for my project pan. I'd like to know how you guys are doing if you are panning products as well, and just leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe, and if you do, hit that notification bell so you'll know when I put up new videos. I do put up new videos Monday through Friday. That's my current schedule. So, and it seems to be working good for me, so there you go. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.